Ever stare in the mirror wishing for a different reflection? Not just physically, but wishing your life itself looked different, more abundant, successful, happy. Well, what if I told you the key to transforming that reflection isn't about changing what you see, but how you actually see? Welcome to the mirror principle, where I unlock the secret of how shifting your internal beliefs can literally transform your external reality, especially when it comes to attracting wealth and success. My journey started not with a magic mirror, but a dusty yoga mat and a surprising encounter that flipped my understanding of reality on its head. So, fasten your seatbelts, grab your metaphorical reflection polisher, and get ready to discover how you can rewrite your script, not with wishful thinking, but with the power of the mirror principle. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you believe." But have you ever truly stopped to consider it might not just be a motivational quote, but a fundamental law of the universe? The mirror principle reveals this law in action. Imagine your life experiences as a giant mirror reflecting back your deepest beliefs. Now, imagine cracking that mirror and replacing it with a brand new one. That's what the mirror principle offers, a chance to shatter limiting self-perceptions and create a new reflection, one that attracts the wealth and success you desire. Think about it. Why do some people seem magnetically drawn to opportunities while others struggle to break free from financial limitations? Often it boils down to self-perception. If you see yourself as undeserving, incapable, or destined for scarcity, guess what? Your experiences will likely confirm those beliefs. You might shy away from opportunities, make self-sabotaging choices, or simply not believe you deserve abundance. Conversely, someone who sees themselves as resourceful, worthy, and capable creates a powerful magnet for success. They confidently pursue opportunities, attract supportive connections, and radiate an energy that resonates with abundance. So, where does money fit in? Money is simply energy, a tool for realizing your desires. If your core belief is that you're not worthy of having it, you'll unknowingly push wealth away, even if opportunities arise. But when you rewrite your internal script through the mirror principle, replacing doubt with self-belief and scarcity with abundance, you shift the energetic frequency you project. You become a match for prosperity, and opportunities begin to flow effortlessly. Now, this doesn't mean wealth falls into your lap magically. It's about aligning your inner world with your outer goals. The mirror principle empowers you to take action, make informed choices, and navigate challenges with the unwavering belief that you deserve success. It's about becoming the architect of your own reality, using your mind as the most powerful tool in your financial arsenal. Now, the real magic begins, transforming your internal mirror and rewriting your financial story. It's not about wishful thinking, but about intentionally crafting a new identity and worldview. Step 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. What negative beliefs about money hold you back? Are you unworthy, incapable, or doomed to scarcity? Acknowledge them without judgment. Step 2. Define your ideal financial self. Who do you want to be financially? Visualize your desired lifestyle, income, and sense of freedom. What does financial abundance look and feel like to you? Step 3. Create affirmations. Craft positive statements that embody your ideal self. I am deserving of abundance. Money flows to me easily. I make wise financial decisions. Repeat these affirmations daily, believing them deeply. Friends, as someone who once struggled financially, the mirror principle transformed my life. I replaced "I can't afford it" with "I attract abundance." I visualized prosperity, feeling the joy of financial freedom. I took aligned action, learning new skills and seeking new opportunities. Slowly, opportunities materialized, abundance flowed in, and my financial reality flipped. For those who are new to crafting and using affirmations, I will now discuss the key beliefs and few affirmations for financial success. Number 1. I am worthy of financial abundance. Number 2. Money is a tool for good, and I use it wisely. Number 3. I'm a magnet for prosperity and opportunity. Number 4. I make confident and inspired financial decisions. Number 5. I am grateful for the abundance I already have, and I attract more every day. Step 4. Replace limiting beliefs. Identify negative thoughts like, I'm not good with money, and replace them with empowering ones like, I am financially savvy. Step 5. Visualize your goals. See yourself achieving your financial dreams. Feel the emotions of joy, security, and freedom. Step 6. Align actions. Take consistent steps towards your goals. Learn new skills, start a side hustle, or invest in yourself. The mirror principle isn't instant magic. Trust the process, stay focused, and believe in your ability to manifest your desires. The external world reflects your internal reality, and with consistent effort, your new reflection will shine through. Mirror principle is about aligning your inner world with your outer desires. It's a journey of self-discovery, belief, and intentional action. We've cracked the mirror, unveiled the limiting beliefs, and crafted a new reflection of abundance. Now, let's dive deeper into practical tools and techniques to turbocharge your wealth manifestation journey. Tool number 1, engaging the subconscious mind. Plant positive affirmations. Repetition is key. Whisper affirmations while falling asleep, write them on sticky notes, or record them for subliminal reinforcement. Vision boards. Create a visual representation of your financial goals. Include images of your dream lifestyle, income numbers, and symbols of abundance. Place it somewhere you see it daily, allowing it to subconsciously program your mind for success. Gratitude journaling. Express gratitude for every penny you receive, no matter how small. This rewires your brain to focus on abundance and attracts more of it. Identify income opportunities. Brainstorm ways to increase your income. Explore skills you can learn, side hustles you can start, or opportunities for a raise or promotion. Create an action plan. Break down your financial goals into smaller, actionable steps. Schedule tasks in your calendar and treat them like non-negotiable appointments. Network and collaborate. Surround yourself with inspiring and supportive individuals who share your financial goals. Collaborate on projects, exchange ideas, and hold each other accountable. Acknowledge your achievements with small rewards that motivate you to keep moving forward. Treat yourself to a nice dinner, buy a small item you've been eyeing, or plan a fun experience. Remember, setbacks are inevitable. Don't let them derail you. Celebrate your resilience, learn from the experience, and recommit to your goals. Friends, the mirror principle is an ongoing practice, not a one-time fix. By consistently working on your inner beliefs, taking aligned action, and celebrating your progress, you'll create a powerful momentum that attracts opportunities and propels you towards your financial dreams. That's a wrap on unlocking the mirror principle for wealth manifestation. Remember, your reality is a reflection of your inner world. By shifting your beliefs, you can rewrite your financial script and attract the abundance you deserve. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe to our channel for more powerful techniques and inspiring stories on harnessing the mirror principle in all areas of your life. Spread the wealth. Like this video and share it with anyone who's ready to shatter their limiting beliefs and embrace financial freedom. Remember, your transformation can inspire others. Until next time, stay empowered, stay abundant, and remember, you deserve your dreams. See you soon.